the mouth is not open, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't
as long
matter.
as we just blow from.
Because you're in the water, you got no choice one. Only one way. Okay, this is a face mask. This one got extra here. When you bring it up, you can actually put in oxygen and blow. So the oxygen concentration will be greater. Okay. One of them lah. This one, the mouth barrier also. Not in water, outside. You can use this guy, put the mouth and push it in and blow to prevent transmission of diseases. Okay. So you have this type, disposable one which you can buy and then put in your car, on your house, buy in a room and you use it lah. So you got the right way, wrong way, you know.
Yeah, this side up.
So this side up lah.
This is to the mouth.
Yep. So during our training, we will be using this one lah. So each one got one already. So you have seen several type of barrier.